guys, it's Jazlin. I'm just going to be showing you guys how to do this crimped hair look. So if you like the way it looks, then keep watching. Okay, so first I'm going to start off with my heat protecting. This is for flat ironing, but it does the same exact thing for curling your hair and stuff. So I'm going to just use this. And then I'm going to brush my hair out. Okay, so now I'm going to get the crown of my head and put all of this up in a hair tie. Okay, so this is the bed head crimper and I got it from Ulta for $30, I believe. Okay, so how I use it is I put this really close, but not too close. And then I just have it there for about 2-3 seconds. It crimps really quickly. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna follow it up where the wave is. So then you're gonna get it right there. And that is basically how you do it. So I'm gonna do the rest of the hair. Okay, so this is how the bottom looks. And then I just like to take half of it, not half of it, but like all of this side of my hair and bring it down. Okay, and now I'm gonna split my hair right here and bring all of this down. This is how I part my hair, and I'm just gonna leave it like this. I'm gonna do this side first. And guys, remember not to have this crimped on your hair for too long because it will damage your hair. Okay guys, so this is how it looks. I'm all finished now. So now I'm just gonna put a little bit of hairspray. I don't need a lot of hairspray because without even using hairspray, it holds really easily. I'm not sure why, but it does. So if you like this look, then please like this video and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.